In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on Unbounce. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Google Tag Manager connected to your Unbounce landing pages using Unbounce's built-in script manager. All you'll need is access to your Unbounce account and your Google Tag Manager container ID, which looks like GTM XXXX. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Unbounce. Click the official Unbounce website link and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Click Settings, then choose Script Manager. Script Manager is where Unbounce lets you add tracking and third-party scripts across your pages without editing each page individually, which keeps everything consistent and easier to maintain. In the top right corner of Script Manager, click the blue Add a Script button. From the menu that appears, select Google Tag Manager. Unbounce provides a dedicated option for GTM, so you don't have to paste the full code snippet yourself. This template handles the placement for you. Next, paste your Google Tag Manager container ID into the field provided. This is the short code that starts with GTM. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown in your Tag Manager account. No extra spaces, and don't confuse it with analytics measurement IDs or other codes. If you have multiple Tag Manager containers, pick the one assigned to your landing pages. Now, choose the subdomain or domains where you want this Tag Manager installation to apply. This is useful if you manage several domains in Unbounce and only want GTM on specific ones. If you're unsure, select the domain where your live landing pages are hosted. You can always return and adjust this later. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish Script. Unbounce will inject the GTM code in the correct places for you across the selected domains. You don't need to edit page-level scripts or add any additional code snippets. To ensure the change takes effect on your live pages, publish or republish any connected landing pages. Republishing refreshes the page configuration so the GTM script is properly applied and begins collecting data. Give it a moment to propagate across your pages. That's it. Your Unbounce pages are now set up to use Google Tag Manager, making it much easier to manage tags for analytics, ads, and other tools from one central place. As a best practice, many teams verify the installation using a tag debugging tool or Tag Manager's preview mode, especially before running campaigns. And remember, anytime you add or update tags inside Google Tag Manager, you'll publish those changes from GTM. No need to revisit Unbounce unless you're changing domains or removing the integration.